Hello, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to download and install the Spotify app.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
And I'll show you this in two steps. The first step will be clarifying unknown sources to ensure that your TV has permission to work, install, download apps which are unknown, or install and unknown apps or install and download unknown apps from unknown sources. So after that, we're going to download and install the app using the APK Time application. So sit tight, follow step by step, and you should have the Spotify app by the end of this tutorial. So I'm going to navigate over to the app and then quick settings. So after quick settings, all settings, and you see me going down to system and then about. Under about, I'm going down to group number. I'm going to click on this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ensure you click on it 7 times. This will get you to the developer status, and you can verify that by seeing the developer options shown on the system settings right here. If that's done, move over to the app drawer and you're going to find the app APK Time. Now if you don't have this app, I suggest you look in the link in the description. I have a video showing you how to download that app. If you have the app downloaded, just open it. I am going to go over to the music category on this app. So scroll down to the music and you find the Spotify app right there. So I have the Spotify app. I've already downloaded it. So click on download to go into the installation process. But when you click on download, you download the application, then begin the installation process automatically. So I've clicked on download and that's bringing the installation up. So mind you, if you do not see the install button after this and the app staging, and the app finishes staging and you don't see any install button, you see a pop-up saying unknown sources. Allow unknown sources or install from unknown sources. You can also say install unknown apps. Whatever the case be, just go down to APK Time, toggle it on to allow that app install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. From there, just click on the install button and you have the app installed to your Android TV. To Google TV, pardon me, and right there you can see I can open the app from here. I have to open the app right on my app drawer. So it comes to my app drawer, I'll find the specified app and open it right from the link there. So you have done an open. That's how you get the app into your TV. If you found that insightful, if you learned how to download and install the specified application, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.